Craving juicy, flavorful chicken in just 15 minutes? This lemon garlic chicken is your new weeknight obsession. For boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil. For garlic cloves, minced, 1 lemon, zest and juiced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp black pepper, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, optional. Pat chicken dry with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. Mix olive oil, garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, and oregano. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Sear in hot pan, 5 to 6 minutes per side until golden and cook through, 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temp. Spoon pan juices over chicken. Garnish with parsley and lemon slices. Steamed rice, roasted veggies, mashed potatoes, or a crisp salad.